Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a funny clover. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for pencil. Let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is the eyes, and these are gonna be big. I'm going to start with two letter ends and they are a little sideways. Okay, so they're going to look like this. You can see what I'm doing and then do it in your paper. See, they're a little sideways, kind of like leaning to the left. Now I'm going to pass my marker twice on the top just to make the top of the eyes kind of like show more. There. Now let's do a half a circle on the corner in the left. It's gonna look like this. And inside we're gonna put two little circles. The first one is to the left and it's big. And the second one is gonna be a little more smaller. Let's repeat the steps in the other side. And now let's color black around these two circles. Next, we're gonna do eyebrows, and it's just two little lines on the top of the eyes. The nose is gonna be in between the eyes and it's an oval shape. And for the mouth, we're gonna do a big smile. So I'm gonna start on the sides. It's gonna go across the eyes. So I'm gonna start on the left side doing a curved line, and I'm passing the marker twice, just to show more the size of his mouth. And now we're gonna join these two together doing a curved line that goes underneath the nose. Now let's do the bottom, and in the middle we're gonna put two little lines to show more his teeth. There. Let's continue with the hat. We're gonna do a line that go across, so I'm gonna leave a finger space and you can put a little dot, finger space, and a little dot. And now let's join these two with a line. There. I'm gonna pass my marker twice, and now let's go up. We're gonna put two little lines on each side, and I'm gonna trace another line, one that goes to the left and stop right there, and one to the right and stop right there. They're little. Now from this point I'm gonna go up to do kind of like a square shape. So I'm going up in each side and then just join them on the top. Just like this. Perfect. In the middle, we're gonna put two squares. So I'm gonna do the first one here. It's more like a rectangle actually. And inside of this one, I'm gonna put now a square. Okay. And I'm gonna do here a little line on the right side. And we're gonna do two lines. So it's gonna look like a belt that is in his hat. Two lines here, and that's it. We are all done. Now we're gonna start doing the size of the body of this clover, and I'm gonna start here on this point and I'm gonna go down with a curved line. Curved line. And these ones look like a heart, so let's do the other side of what it be the heart, just like this. And also looks like a backwards number 3, and these can look like a number 3. Now here, we're gonna continue doing this, but before that, let's do two little dots here underneath the mouth, kind of like a finger space in between them. And now I'm gonna continue doing the heart shape. So I'm gonna do here one, and I wanna connect it with the first dot. Now let's do the same on the right side, okay? Now I'm gonna go to the right from the dot. I'm gonna do my heart shape right here. There. Now let's do the stem, and we're gonna go down from this point, and these are little curvy lines. These are a little curvy, and it goes like this. And now let's join them on the bottom. Perfect. Now I'm gonna continue doing the rainbow that goes across and in behind him. So we're gonna do 7 colors, okay? So it's gonna be lines that go across and in behind. So I'm gonna start here with the first one that goes down. We're gonna go in behind and we're gonna continue the line up. Then I'm gonna leave a space and I'm gonna do the same step. I'm gonna go across. I'm gonna pretend the pass in behind and continue going up. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing these steps until I reach the seven colors, okay, or the 7 spaces. This part of the video goes a little fast, but you can always stop the video to finish what we're doing. And that's it, this clover is ready, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. Here is where you can see the colors I used. Also, if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe to watch more lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.